Just very quickly to help you answer your question, realizing that you used the PDFs, I'm expecting that it was these two right here for the marriage in Canada. While you can download them, and then they are a PDF, if you look right here at the very top, these actually came from an article. So when you click on that, you could actually use the PDF, but I would use this just as the website. It's the exact same information, just in the PDF. It's a little bit more manageable. So you would cite this particular website. I'm just going to go back. And the same with the other one. If it was the other PDF that you used, right here, creating the history of the timeline, that if you click on that link right up at the top, it'll take you to a website, and then you just cite the website. If you wanted to include that and just send me an email and let me know that you've included those two websites in an APA format in a reference list, that would be greatly appreciated.